Hello. Ok. Vamos. Para arriba.
Tip it in. Just tip it in.
Oh, like that?
Yeah, because it's garbage.
Yeah,
It's
no,
like
yeah.
that. Ready? 1, 2. Oh, shit, it's up in the other way. We can put it in the middle.
Push it on to this side. Don't let it on way.
But where's the refrigerator gonna fit? You got it?
Yeah.
You have to push that back. Ready? Let's get the fridge.
So I get the fridge. The fridge is going to put it laying down in here. Yeah.
What happened?
The thing to put it laying down.
Oh, yeah. Forgot all about this.
Like that.
Got wheels, it's got a turn. Now we're gonna have to stand this up so we can keep the space.
Okay, so we're turn it around. No.
Wait.
You want to go?
I mean, I can try to pull it up, but you gotta push.
If you put it like this, then clean it up.
Okay, we can do that.
Bottom
Ready?
up.
Ready?
Oh, but the bottom of this too is the heavy part.
Yeah.
That's the point.
Yeah. All right, let's just tip it in and see what happens. Ready? 1, 2. Wait. Can we do it on the side? No.
Yeah.
So I figured I could try to figure out how to push it up. Make space.
This is the first thing we getting off. Alright, hold on. You want to try to flip it up?
Yeah.
But this is going to be in the way.
Sure, no, I think there's no space.
Alright, go on the other side. Go on the other side.
Well, listen, we're gonna flip it out like this.
Oh, you want to do it that way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
1, 2. Nope.
It ain't gonna fit like that. I mean, you try. You want to give it a push?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. More. You need about 5 more inches. That's what she said. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You can try to flip it up now.
Yeah. We're gonna have the heavy stuff on the bottom. Oh, but I'll tell you what, it's okay.
No, there's nothing blocking it.
No?
No.
No, I don't go.
I don't know. You're not strong enough? You didn't have your frosted flakes?
No, I got my pancake. Oh, hold on, let me put it. good. I know what it is. It's, you know, the TV on down. It's already, it's
There's
already.
nothing blocking it. There's nothing blocking it.
Yeah, the TV on down. It's blacking it.
Oh, it's probably the door handles.
Watch it. Watch it.
Put your leg-
Move.
One, two. It's off by like a little bit.
Don't do it again.
It's the TV. I mean, yeah, it's the TV.
The only thing I can think of.
You gotta lift this up. Come on. Hey, lift it up.
Come over here. Ready? On count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
No, it's done. We have to pull it out.
Let it go. Let it drop.
I say let it drop.
What you want?
Because it's porquería, papi, that's why.
I know it's going to be
I say let it drop. 1, 2, 3.
It's fine. It's crooked. It's crooked. It's fine. Giving us more
I
stuff.
might go fall back down.
But it's gonna fall to the doors. What's that?
Oh, that's your provision.